for our meatballs. And the different kind of parsley, potatoes, oregano, sage, thyme, and good evening to wherever you are. I will use my marinara sauce I made like 8 months ago. This one is with tomato paste. It's more red than this one without tomato paste. I will use both of them today. I will open. Oh, it's sealed very well. I cannot open like this. It's impossible to open. I will have to sacrifice this lid. Oh, no, okay. Oh, it works. Looks like this. After 8 months. 2 pounds of minced beef, but you can use any meat you like. Garlic, oregano, sage, parsley, different parsley, rosemary, thyme, very tiny, thyme, sage, oregano, parsley 1, parsley 2, and rosemary, salt, pepper, check egg. It will make our meatballs softer. Add little by little. Looks like this. Good. And oregano, onion, and garlic. Add my marinara sauce. Homemade marinara sauce. herbs on medium heat for 20 minutes. In the meantime, I will cook potatoes, salt. Those potatoes are organic, so I don't peel off the skin. Only I will just remove these toxic spots. Oh. Accident. Cheddar cheese lava, oregano on the top. Bon appetit! They smell very delicious.